To do this process, we're going to need to get ourselves a metal rod of some sort, a die, which looks a bit like one of these, a die holder, a screwdriver, an engineering square, a wee bit of cutting compound, and a paper towel. Before we start to put an external thread onto our metal bar here, we need to prepare it a little bit. The die isn't going to locate very well onto this bar at the moment because it's got quite a sharp edge on it there. So it's really important to prepare it to begin with, and taking yourself a file, we're just going to go in here and we're going to round off the top of this a little bit. Okay, and that should probably do us here. So I'm now going to take a paper towel and I'm going to wrap up the bar. We don't want to get a drunken thread here. We need to get our engineering square now and check that the rod is sitting perpendicular to the edge of the vise. We're checking to see if the engineering square is square onto the rod, and that's quite good. We're now ready to get our die and die holder. We are going to place it in with a split up to the top here, up to this wee thumb screw. So I'm just going to tighten up these a little bit there, just enough to hold the die in place. So we now have the die in the die holder. It's secure, it's not going to come out, it's not going to go anywhere. I'm now going to grab myself a wee bit of cutting fluid from my tub over here. I'm simply just going to apply a little bit around the top of this.